everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make these soft, pillowy, and full of cozy fall flavors pumpkin sugar cookies that are the perfect treat. With a melt-in-your-mouth texture and a hint of warm spices, they're a deliciously sweet way to celebrate pumpkin season. Now please take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and 2½ teaspoons of pumpkin spice. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the baking powder, flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. In a stand mixer, cream together the butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and the brown sugar until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the pumpkin puree, egg yolks, and vanilla extract, and mix until combined. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix. The dough will be soft. Place the remaining sugar in a small bowl and use a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop to measure the dough, then drop the dough into the bowl. Roll the dough in the sugar and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges begin to brown. Allow the cookies to rest on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool. I hope you love these soft pumpkin sugar cookies as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!